Simply Drawn here, and today we're drawing a frog to help with productivity. This comes from the famous Mark Twain quote, "If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning." So we're going to start with the body of the frog, making a circle. And the eyes sitting on top, two circles the same size. The little space in between that I'm going to connect with like a little V of a line. I'm connecting them to the body. Now I'm going to add about midway down the circle, like a half a heart. This is going to become the back legs and a half the other side of the heart, connecting it. I'm making the front legs. They're not right in the center of that body. They're really kind of off to the sides, and I'm thickening them up a little bit. Moving on to yellow for the eyes and the feet. And I'm just doing 3 toes with a little circle on the end. And again, 3 toes on the front feet. And I'm going to put a line in the eyes, and you can leave it just like that, but I'm going to put a circle on the middle of the line, kind of inspired by Kermit the Frog. And then the mouth is just following where the green and white touch, and the nostrils. So how to eat your frog. Identify your frog, also known as the hardest, most important task of your day. Eat it. Do the most important task first thing in the morning. Do not give yourself the chance to put it off until later. And then repeat this every day.